Absolutely. Here are 7 fun and creative ideas to celebrate a kid's birthday. 1. Themed birthday party. Choose a theme based on your child's interests, such as superheroes, princesses, dinosaurs, space, or their favorite cartoon characters. 2. Outdoor picnic. Organize a picnic in a nearby park or garden. Include games like frisbee, soccer, or an egg and spoon race to keep the kids entertained. 3. Art and craft party. Set up an arts and crafts station with various supplies like colored paper, markers, glue, glitter, and stickers. 4. Science party. Host a science-themed party with interactive experiments and demonstrations. You can make slime, create volcanoes, or explore simple physics concepts with hands-on activities. 5. Cooking party. Let the little ones become mini chefs for the day. Prepare easy and safe recipes that they can help make, like cupcakes, pizza, or fruit kebabs. Don't forget to have aprons and chef hats for the kids to wear. 6. Movie theater experience. Turn a room into a cozy movie theater with a big screen, beanbags, and dim lighting. Play the birthday child's favorite movies and serve popcorn and snacks for a fun cinema experience. 7. Adventure park or zoo visit. Take the kids to an adventure park, zoo, or amusement center where they can enjoy rides, see animals, and engage in various exciting activities. Always consider the age group and preferences of the kids when planning the celebration. With a bit of creativity, you can create a memorable and enjoyable birthday celebration for the little one.